I want to update my expectations this evening of what we expect to happen at the upcoming Olympics in Tokyo, specifically in the women's 100 meters. The thinking before was that because of the fallout from the COVID pandemic, the sprinters will not be as sharp, and the performances will not be outstanding, and the times will not be as fast. But check. We are now about 3 months out from the Olympics, and already we've had Kari Richardson from the USA running 10.72, Natasha Morrison from Jamaica running 10.87, and of course the defending champion Elaine Thompson-Herrock sounding the big thing with 10.78. And remember now, we don't hear from the boss, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, or from the British lady Dina Asher-Smith as yet, and others. The way things are shaping up, this notion that the performances will not be great and the times will not be fast in Tokyo, that storyline is proving to be false. Remember now, good performances force other good performances, and assuming the progression of the athletes, their freshness and hunger to compete, and depending on the conditions and how fast the track in Tokyo will be, I think we're going to see, first of all, a Jamaican gold medal and a mid 10.6 clocking in that women's 100 meters final. Now, as for the men's event, Jamaica and the horse now race.